So today I'm making a video about Flood Escape. And where is all my stuff? Where is all my stuff? Where is my stuff? I thought I go play in the living room. Oh, I am in the living room. Go play in the chimney room. Oh, I thought I had my gravity coil. I thought I really did have my gravity coil. Give me my gravity coil. Oh, there it is. There's my good old gravity coil. Okay, so let's watch other players. We're just going easy because we're classy like that. We're really classy like that. We're just going to start off with a little bit easy start. And now I need a sneeze. So don't get my sneeze in your eyes.
Are you ready to go? What time is practice?
4:30.
I am the good witch.
I'm making a video.
David, put your shoes on. David, you did your homework?
Yeah,
I'm the good witch.
Are you staying with Grandma or are you going with Dad?
staying with Grandma. Hey,
Are you
baby.
staying here with Grandma or are you going with Dad?
Okay, so he's gonna die. He's gonna die. Okay.
Put your socks on your
Okay,
shoes.
let's do this with my gravity coil.
Put your socks
I got my gravity coil. I love my gravity coil so much.
One is Ben. One is Ben was here. Baby.
So let's do this.
Everybody fill it up.
We're lowering. Oh. Whoa! Okay, I don't want the gravity coil anymore. Let's do this!
Foot.
I wish I could get that in slow motion, but I didn't catch it. Why do I get so scared? Let's do this. Everyone just like me. Everyone just like me. Look at, he got a Smurf backpack too. All three people got a Smurf backpack except the guest. So let's do this. He has a flood sword, but let's do this. Someone, okay. Oh. Ah! We're gonna die! Oh, over here! I need my gravity coil. Oh! Ah! Ah! Oh, that was close. Can we make it? Not without my gravity coil. This is so fun! I got a gravity coil. I'll hit you with it. Okay. Let's do this. This level is pretty easy. Just gotta stand by the door. Ah! Ah! Oh, I did it. I didn't push the button though. All you gotta do is stand by the door and open. But I'm just gonna see what it is like in first person. Let's see if I could do this more easier in first person. Okay, so you go right over it. Whoa! What? No. No. We're classy like this. No. Okay, ready? I'm done reading. Oh, that was quick. But let's escape. Oh, she fell. She almost died, but let's keep going. We don't want to keep waiting. Oh, whoa! I'm gonna try to keep the face cam as steady as I can. Right there. Keep my balance. Keep my balance classy. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I want those blue particles. I'll get those. I don't think about getting those because they get in your way. So let's keep doing this over and over. It's just one round. Maybe 2 rounds or 3 or 4 or 5 or 10. Oh, I got spit all over the camera now. But now I make videos of this. Plumbing.
I don't know, he went running down the street.
Go, 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 go! Whoa! I could have got that in slow motion. But let's keep going. Keep my balance. That's how we do it. We're classy like this, Doge. You have more Robux than me. Oh, in my next video, I'm gonna prove. Oh, at the end of this video, I'm gonna prove that I have 61 Robux. Just watch it. I'm going to prove it. But no access. First, we gotta push the button over here. Why didn't you think of that? And now push the button. Teamwork! Try to get up. Kobe. Whoa. They gotta go look for Diego. Did Diego run away? He doesn't want the puppy. He doesn't want the puppy anymore. He thinks the puppy is annoying. He doesn't like the other dog. Keep going, because classy like this. Okay, let's see if I can figure out the code, and then at the end of this video, I'll prove that I have 61 Robux. 61 Robux. Let's do this. Find the code, and I have the cage in. Okay, do it like this, like this, like this, like this. There. Come on, you're not even pressing them. Okay, I have to do all the codes for him. I had to do all the codes for him. But now let's prove that I have 61 Robux. Just trust me on this. I have 61 Robux. Robux. Look it. I have 61 Robux. Look at, what does it say right there? 61 Robux. Right there, it says 61. And my Roblox is not working very good. So, hope everyone enjoyed this video. Make sure you smash that like button. Oh, I forgot to do my forgot to do my ending screen. I forgot to do my ending screen. I forgot to do my ending screen. I forgot to do my ending screen. Got to do my ending screen. Gonna do my ending screen. Got to do my ending screen. Hurry up, this video is so long. Longer than my last video. Prove it. You hear that? I don't know if you could hear that. Okay, but time to do my ending. You know how it's gonna end. What? 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 Nothing's working. Well, that was it for today's video. Look at my face. Whoa! Okay.